If you follow this process, you're going to get buy-in, and these forms are going to help you create that repeatable outcome that you so desire in your business. Hey Titans, I want to visit with you today about forms. Ooh, doesn't everyone get excited when they hear the word forms? Well, I do, because I know that forms aren't just some paperwork or monotonous thing that we have to do, but I know that forms are really our way to create a systemized approach and get a repeatable outcome inside of ServiceTitan. But there's some keys that you need to know before you just start making a lot of forms and throwing them on your technicians or your office staff, because they're not gonna like it too much. But if you follow this process, you're gonna get buy-in, and these forms are gonna help you create that repeatable outcome that you so desire in your business, and it'll set you free. So let's dive in. How can you get buy-in from your team? And really, this starts with the what's in it for me thing. Anytime we're looking at implementing anything, we really ought to ask ourselves that question. If you were the person intended of the training, or like the technician in this case, what's in it for them? Why is it going to be good? So what I'd like to do is always assemble a team, get together the key people that this is going to help, and then also really anyone that has a stake in the outcome. For example, if we're having troubles on service calls, well, you know what? I would probably get my dispatcher, I would get accounting, I would get the technicians in, and a service manager. So I want to get them all together and start by addressing the problem. So let's start off by really uncovering some pain points. I want them to feel why we need some change in this area. So for example, if it is a service call, we've been having problems in that department, the office complains because the techs always forget to do the stuff, and then they get the call from the customers, they're mad, so now they have to hear about it, and then the service manager has to go and get on to the techs and, hey, why didn't you capture this information while you're out there? Oh, I think you can relate, you've been there. So we would assemble this team, and we would uncover that, hey, our pain points are, if we're not systematically checking everything, then we're liable to not capture important information that's needed for warranties in the office. It could be that we miss items that we should have checked, and now it's going to cause a callback. It could be that we're missing the important info, like the age of the equipment or things that's going to help create jobs for tomorrow or the upcoming season. Our customer satisfaction could fall, because if we're just there and we don't capture all the information that we really need to on that service call, well, we get a call back, we miss these things, we have to go back, they're going to be aggravated, and we're probably not going to get that 5-star review, and they may not even call us back next time, right? And then also, what's in it for them? If you don't have a systemized way of doing a service call, the techs, if they're incentivized off of performance, they're going to make less money, or they're going to miss things, and then therefore get that call back and not be able to spend more time at home with their family. So that's kind of the process, what we would do to uncover the pain points. Next, let's shift to the benefits. All right, team, what would happen if we had a systemized way where you guys could tell me exactly what we need to check on every call, and then that way we're not going to miss all those things, and we're going to help you make more money and get home to your family, all of those things? What would it be? So then they'd say, oh man, if we did that, it would be a very consistent experience for all of our customers. We would get less callbacks, and therefore we'd get home earlier. Plus, I wouldn't be known as the guy that has callbacks. No one wants that. They want to be the top dog. It could be that we're making more money, because guess what? We actually checked all the things that could help this customer keep comfortable, save money, or protect their family or their home, and they chose more things because we were systemized in the way that we did it. We got 5-star reviews. Now the customers are so happy because we served really well. So you see what happens here? We start by assembling the team. We use these forms as not just a burdensome tool, but as a tool that's going to help them what's in it for me mentality, right? Show them the pain points, let them tell you the benefits, and then we're off to creating the process.